video, you're gonna learn how to generate AI images and animate them in DaVinci Resolve 3D camera. Hi, I am Tasvik Taha, a professional video editor and a business owner. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the tutorial.
So first what I did is I searched here fusion composition. You actually need to go all folders so you can find the fusion composition. Next I dragged it just like that, and let me show you the rest of the process. So here I already made some nodes. You can see these are some nodes. So basically what I did is, let me just remove all of that. Let me get a media out and let's get a background. Let's connect them. Let's click on the media out, click on 2 and 3, and we have this black background. So now what we wanna do, we wanna decrease the alpha. Next we need the 3D elements. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add image planer. Next click on this merge 3D, click on this camera 3D, and click on this renderer 3D. After that we're gonna do a bit of arrangement. Drag this renderer 3D and connect it to the background. It's looking pretty much similar to the nodes we deleted. We're gonna add another image planer 3D and connect it. So now we need to actually generate these AI images. So for that we're gonna go to ChatGPT. Let's go to ChatGPT and we are gonna use another app called Leonardo AI. Alright, so I have now logged into Leonardo. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make this just like that. So first thing what we wanna do, we wanna change the model. We wanna use the cinematic keynote. Let's select that. We want the contrast to be high. Next what we wanna do, we wanna change the image dimensions to 16 by 9. That's pretty much it for the settings. If you go to this GPT's option right here and search for Leonardo, so here it is, the Leonardo AI prompt maker. You can see 200 plus ads because it's very popular. So I actually have this right over here. You can actually pin this. When you open the bot, you can just go here and pin it from here. Right now it's showing me hide because I have already pinned it. And next what we want is, we want to know how to express the voice into AI images. So that's why we're gonna go back to DaVinci.
Anastasia starts to let her guard down, not because she's forced to, but because she realizes she can. Their hesitant friendship proves something important.
We can actually understand that Anastasia and Nathan are actually having a good time because they are happy. That story actually is a romance story, so we can actually add them as the AI composition. So it will make a lot of sense if Anastasia and Nathan are actually in the image and they are laughing, I guess. So we can start it by adding the prompt, by adding a simple prompt in Leonardo AI prompt maker. So this is the prompt I have came up with. Young man and young woman who are high schoolers laughing and having a good time. We can also see them in an ultra wide shot and the environment is sunny. So this is the basic prompt. We can already give it to this Leonardo prompt, but we want ChatGPT to enhance it. So we're gonna send it. This specific ChatGPT will actually generate 4 kinds of prompt for per request. So you can use any of them, which one you like. So you can see it has photorealistic style, anime style, pencil drawing style, digital painting style. It can generate even more styles if you want. So we want the photorealistic style prompt. We're gonna copy it and we're gonna paste it right here, and let's go and generate. So Leonardo is also generating 4 images which we can use. So let's generate the images and we can see here it's decent. It's not good, but it's decent. Prompt actually focused a bit too much on the uniform, so we're gonna tell ChatGPT to remove the uniform. So I have told ChatGPT to remove the uniforms. No need to mention they are high schoolers. Make them young adults. This will make it generate a bit older persons in the AI image. So we're gonna go and add, paste that, and let's hit generate. I have already hit generate, so yeah, let's wait. So you can see it also not that good. It has removed the fact that I have told it to make it ultra wide. So now I have set it to focus on the ultra wide shot. So it will for sure generate ultra wides this time. So we're gonna go and copy and paste it. So this image right here, this looks really good. But there is one single problem here. You can see her face is a bit messed up. This here also looks nice, but it's not quite it. We need to change the background a bit and a lot of things. I have told it that they are in a city and no need to enhance the prompt more. So it's just gonna focus on the city. So let's see what it creates this time. So this particular image is looking also nice, but I think we can do something much better. And they have generated a black guy. That is just embarrassing that even ChatGPT can do this kind of things. So we will actually have to just go with this one because we cannot waste any more tokens on this. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna download this one. You can see how many images I have here. These are all my client projects. So next what we're gonna go to this object remover here. So you can see this link over here. You can go and just sign up. Actually no need to even sign up. You can just automatically work on this. So now you can see we actually have a brush. So what this brush will do, we will select our characters. So after we have selected our characters, it will simply just remove them. We need to wait a bit, let it remove, and now you can see it has removed. But you can actually see some artifacts here, but this should not be that much of a big deal. So we can just download it from download and standard download. So now we can just drag it to DaVinci and we can actually just drag it to our comp folder, and next just add this here. Let's click on the media in one and we can see this thing. After we have done that, we actually need to go to this background remover. It's actually from the same website. What we wanna do is we wanna drag this over here. Let's verify and it will simply just remove the background. Let's wait. It's taking a bit more than usual. Usually it doesn't take this much time, and now it's perfectly removed. So we're gonna download it, drag it to DaVinci, connect it to the media, and we will just drag out the camera just like so. Next what we wanna do is we wanna add ultra wide effect. So you're gonna go to lens distort. Let's go open the model and type 1.3. This should give us a nice distortion. You can see it really makes a difference. So it's nice to add this kind of ultra wide effect. So next we're gonna go to this front image, I guess, the image where we remove the background, and let's actually just move it in 3D space. If you guys already haven't seen my 3D camera tutorial, it's very helpful. You guys can actually watch it if you guys wanna really learn about DaVinci. It's a great way to start 3D editing. So we are adjusting it just like that. Move it to the x-axis a bit, and we pretty much have a nice beautiful composition. So now we're at the camera transformation. We'll select these keyframes X, Y, Z and Y and Z. Next we're gonna zoom in. Let's actually just focus on the girl. Let's make it a bit like this. Let's actually rotate. And here we have a nice little zoom out effect. So next we're going to go to the spline, camera, and we're going to click Ctrl+A. Let's click on S, T, and we're going to zoom ease in by, let's say, 80, and that should give us a pretty nice zoom in effect. So let me just render it, and next I will show you the final result. So now before I show you the final results, let me actually add a paper transition. By the way, you can get this paper transition from my preset pack, which I'm just selling for 199 taka. If you guys wanna buy it, make sure to contact my Facebook page to buy a great line of preset packs. Alright, so it's done. So now you guys can actually see the final result. So here it is.
Anastasia starts to let her guard down, not because she's forced to, but because she realizes she can. Their hesitant friendship proves something important.
You guys can see it's really nice. So that's how you create a beautiful looking effect in DaVinci Resolve. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed this. Make sure to join my community for free in WhatsApp, where I will teach you guys how to make money online.
Make sure to comment down below if this video helped you. Also join my community where I will teach you how to make money online. Link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. We'll meet in another video. Bye.